Do you think you have the capability to excel in the November 21 CA Foundation exams? We believe you do. Learn from the top educators in India and make the most of your abilities. Presenting Bull's Eye Fast Track Batch for CA Foundation aspirants. Become a part of the most awaited batch for CA Foundation aspirants. Batches starting from the 4th of August 2021. In August, the perfect plan to start your preparation with Bullseye Fast Track Batch. Subscription that is more than just a class. You will get live interactive classes, recorded lectures with unlimited watch time, and access to notes from all the educators at one place. Every fourth session is a doubt solving session, updated study material, practice mock test papers, and many more. Then, what are you waiting for? Get your subscription today. All subject at price of one. Multiple educators of each subject. Now the question is how to get the Unacademy subscription. Download the Unacademy learning app, select your goal as CA Foundation, click on Get Subscription. And CA Intermediate Plus benefit includes personal coach, printed books, test series, Discord, and expert sessions, and many more. So, to avail 10% discount, subscribe now and use my code Sumit46.